Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go. Today I am greeting you in my Grungies. These are the clothes I wear every day when I go to my studio to work. I don't get up and put on my lipstick and eyeshadow and powder my nose to go to the studio. I have up to now to make these little films. So today I told my husband, don't come to the studio, I'm filming. And he said, oh, right now? And I said, no, I have to get dressed and, get my stuff on and my makeup. And he said, why don't you just do one normal without all the extras? And I thought, I don't want to do that. I mean, I think I improved myself with my little extras. However, the idea kind of grew on me, so I thought, why not try it? Now, I have my two experts here, remember? Duck and Dog. And I thought I'd ask them what they think about just showing up, posting in your Grungies. So I asked Dog first.
No, I think it's better if you worry about your appearance. No, worry about, make sure it's what you really can use to enhance you. Now, artists do crazy things with their hair, with their clothes, with their tattoos, with whatever, and you have a certain style, and I think you need this style. That's my opinion.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dog. I'm going to ask Duck what he thinks, too. Hi, Duck. Hi, Candace. You didn't get all dressed up for the film today.
No, I didn't.
Well, you still look like Candace. I mean, I still know who you are. You didn't change that much.
Do you think it's okay to show up on YouTube, in my basics?
I'm always in my basics.
Oh, that's true. You guys don't worry about that kind of stuff.
I know, but you guys have fun doing it, so why not? And if you don't do it, also why not? It's good. Both directions. I have no problem with that.
I think I may go along a little bit with Duck, even though I know what Dog's saying, and I like dressing up too. So you can decide for yourself. That's the most important thing. And now, here's Duck and Dog and Candace signing off for this week. Bye-bye.